What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price here. As you can see, we're just about to break out from this zone. This is still no successful breakout, as you can see on the chart. We are creating higher lows, and it does look like we are creating this ascending triangle. We're still here at the value area high from the volume traded the last 40 days approximately. So are we going to have that successful breakout? There is a lot of speculation that Bitcoin will be trading in the next coming days at around about the $28,000 to $30,000 level, and this is what we are going to discuss in today's episode, looking at the 4 hourly, the big major levels where we're currently at, and also we're going to take a look at Ethereum and ADA, because it does look like that we could have some bullish momentum if we were to close well above this range of 55 cents. This is something that we're going to talk about in today's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily tell you on Bitcoin, crypto, and I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Guys, let's dive in here straight into the content, because we are still at this 24.5k range, not having that successful breakout, a large daily candle well above here this range. As you can see, we're at the value area high from the volume traded the last 40 to 50 days. Now, of course, if we were to have that successful breakout, then we do have a free ticket potentially to hit that $28,000 to $30,000 major level here, value area low, as you can see from the volume traded in May. But for the moment, we are consistently getting rejected here from this zone. This is no successful breakout. I will be bullish here as soon as we get that nice big breakout here with a large volume from that 24.5k level, trading at 25.5, $26,000, and then any retracement will likely be a good buying opportunity to come to higher levels. Of course, we do need that large spike on volume here when we have this breakout. Like I said, I have been bullish and bearish the last few days when we were range trading in this level. Okay, of course, if we were to break below the 23.1 daily level here, we have 3 consecutive candles closing, opening at this range, as you can see. If we were to have that breakdown, then I will be bearish for a potential swing trade position to retest the lows. If we were to break out this level successfully, I will be looking for that long position to come all the way to $28,000 $30,000 range. Now we are still at this range, as you can see, weekend on the chart. So Monday and Tuesday will be very exciting to see what could happen for Bitcoin. If we take a look at the 4 hourly chart, like I just showed you, we do have a big gap in volume here, but we're getting resistance every single time from the value area high from this zone. As you can see, rejection 1, rejection 2, 3, 4 right now today, as you can see here on the daily chart. So there is no successful breakout just yet. Very choppy action. I can see a lot of people getting over bullish and looking for $28,000 to $30,000 in the next few days. Guys, this is not going to happen till we see a big massive spike in volume and a big breakout from this major zone where we're currently at. If I go on the daily chart and I just show you the volume here, as you can see, we are consistently creating lower highs on the volume price action. So this is looking a little bit bearish until we do have that big major volume spike. I am not going to become bullish for that $28,000 to $30,000 range. Remember, for those experienced traders on Bybit, you do get the best bonus available, which is up to $4,450 that can be claimed at the rewards hub. Remember, you need to follow the steps to claim this bonus. You also get 0% maker fee for 30 days if you sign up with my link in the description. PrimeXBT, my favorite platform to trade S&P 500, gold, oil, natural gas, different assets using crypto as collateral. You get up to $7,000 worth of bonus by using Bitcoinsensus 50 as a promotion code. Remember, you get 7% added to your deposit up to $7,000. Now let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum has had massive bullish momentum here, but it looks like that we potentially could get exhausted. Now we're currently almost reaching the target from this bump and run scenario that we have been talking about since we were trading at these levels of $1,500 range. We're having that nice price action to the upside, and it is true that we could hit round about $2,150, $2,200 range. Of course, if Bitcoin gets heavily rejected from this zone that we have been talking about of 24.5K range, it will likely drag Ethereum here to the downside. So stay extremely cautious on what could Bitcoin do, and also the DXY. Not much to add here on Ethereum. Of course, Ethereum has had some pretty nice volume here, as you can see from the 10th of August. If we do start having that small retracement, okay, we could get a potential bounce, but stay extremely cautious because Bitcoin is just about to get a heavy big rejection. For me, I am just scalping and day trading, no swing positions open, because anything could happen at this range. We could have massive volatility and big fake outs to the upside and also to the downside. So stay extremely cautious with your swing trade positions. Now let's jump here quickly into ADA, because ADA is also looking very exciting. The only thing is that we do not have hardly any volume. Volume is creating lower highs while we are having higher highs. As you can see on the chart, there's some massive divergence here on the price action and volume, and once we have this price action to the upside, I want to see a nice spike in volume, much higher from the volume that has been traded the last few days. And this is not happening. This is why my alarms are on and I'm staying extremely cautious. Of course, ADA has got rejected here from this 54-cent range several times, as you can see. One over here, 16th and 15th of June. We also see here 20th of July, also 30th of July right over here, consistently here. And we are actually creating an ascending triangle here with higher lows, as you can see. Is this the successful breakout, or is this a big massive fake out? Well, this will be known, okay, by Monday or Tuesday. All right, if we start continuing here these nice daily candles, then of course it is going to be looking pretty bullish. But be careful, the weekend we could get heavily rejected, just go sideways here in this range, create a double top and continue to the downside. So stay extremely cautious if you are doing any swing trade positions. Of course, you can trade on the 1 hourly, 15-minute, looking for those day trades or scalping positions. All right, on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, you can long and short inside of this range, of course. But for those swing trade positions, stay extremely cautious. Volume is going down, price action is going to the upside, and Bitcoin is at an extremely critical level. Of course, it does look bullish. Why? Because we are creating higher lows consistently, and there is a high possibility this being a bullish pattern, an ascending triangle here, because the demand is pushing here the price at higher lows, and finally we're going to have a successful breakout in some direction in the next few days. We are at the very limit right now. We either have a massive spike to the upside or a massive rejection here to the downside. We will know this in the next couple of days, guys, and we will see massive trading opportunities that we are going to talk about here on the live streams and also in daily updates. Going back to ADA, like I said, stay extremely cautious. I'm not trading any altcoins till I see a massive breakout on Bitcoin. Then I will be confident in trading these altcoins such as ADA. ADA looks like we are just about to break out from this major resistance at the 54-55 cent range, but not yet. This is not looking extremely bullish because the volume is extremely low on most of the large exchanges. Guys, this is going to be it for this weekend update. I am currently out in a hotel having a good time in a golf competition. I will be back full on Sunday tomorrow, making that 1 to 2 hour live stream to analyze the situation, to get ready for those trading opportunities for Monday. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new. Check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got totally free information here of technical analysis ideas and also news information and different exchanges where you can find some insane bonuses. Totally free information down below, guys. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.